channel. It's your girl, Jaylee. So, I am coming to y'all with another video. I am doing an eyeshadow palette review this time, though. This one is from a medium-sized indie brand. I wanted this palette for a while. But I saw it when it was like even being pre-released and I wanted it so bad. But it was just like, I got so much makeup, was I gonna buy it at that moment? And funds was just funny because I was moving. Well, my boyfriend bought me the palette, y'all. Thank you, babe. So I got the palette. Now, I did have it for a little bit. I just been depressed down in the dumps. So I have not been recording. But the palette that I got is the Picante Palette by Karity. I think that's how you say it. It is beautiful, y'all. It is 21 shadows. It retails for about, I think, $29.99 or something like that. $29.99 to $32. One of the two. It is beautiful. I am all in love with some warm colors, y'all. Like, y'all know, I'm in love with warm colors. So this one, I'm going to swatch some of them. I'm not going to swatch all 21, but I am going to swatch some of them for you guys. Also, you guys, I got another palette from them as well, which we are going to review later. But I wanted to go ahead and get this one out. So without further ado, let's get it in. Okay, so I did end up swatching all of them. And I'm gonna put a picture in here of the shimmers and of the mattes. I just did it that way. And I just took pictures. Y'all, when I tell you these are so freaking smooth, and they even showed up on my arm without me putting primer, anything. The matte showed up and the shimmers. We're gonna see how it comes out on my eyes. So I'm really not gonna talk through that part. I'm gonna just do it, let you guys see me. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I went and put my lashes on offline. I'm off camera. I did use some lashes by Trap Mink. I cannot see because I don't have my glasses on, but I'll put the shade down there. They are the 3D 25mm lashes from Trap Minks, but I will try my best if they're still in stock to put them down there in the hot box. But I did have to jump into the Juvia's Place Saharan palette to smoke out the outer eye. But I will tell you why when I come back. I'm going to go ahead and put on some foundation and be back. Okay, yo, I'm back. I have finished the rest of my face. Let's talk about this palette. I really like this palette. Y'all, when I say I like this palette, I did a very warm burgundy look with a hint of gold up there. I am in love with this palette so far. I will say, using it, the only shadows that I did really have a problem with, sort of two. Bittersweet isn't as pigmented as I would want it to be. I can't use it to smoke out my edge, like to smoke out my eye. It didn't stick as well as I wanted. Spicy was, I think I would have to pack that one on as well. But all the other ones I used, Embers, Flamico, Haley, Harvest, all of those, y'all, were really pigmented. It's just those two deeper ones were not as deep as I want. And Dish is really good as well. I did have to go into the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. And I used Fez and Taza for the brown. And I used Zara, I think, the burgundy one right here. And that's how I was able to deepen it up just a little bit the way I wanted. But will I say that this is a good palette? Yes, because I've had some palettes where I was only able to use 1 to 2 shadows out the whole dang on palette. This one I only had an issue with 2. And maybe I just need to figure out sort of how to use them. Because I've had that happen before, that I had to figure out, hey, this one needs to be packed. You can't blend it, or I needed to use a specific type of brush. I didn't try to figure it out because I just do need to get out of the door. But I would say overall, I do like all the colors. I love the way the look came out. Like, I really love the way this look came out. Now it's funny because I did use Bittersweet under my eyes, and it looks great down here to smoke out my under eye. It wasn't too dark, it wasn't too heavy. So I think I'm just going, but I used a denser brush on the bottom, so I might actually have to try that on top. But I will say, y'all, it retails for $29, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in here again just to make sure. But I really do love this brand. Like, this palette is great. I did get 2 of their lipsticks, and I also got another palette. But I'm gonna come back and review the other palette. Also, they are now in CVS. Y'all, yo, I'm gonna put the link down here for it. But this palette is, this company, shouts out to y'all, are now in CVS. So y'all don't have to wait for shipping. Find your local CVS and go in there and support. We got to start supporting these little indie brands, y'all. They're advertised brand, but we have to start supporting them instead of just running out and getting bigger brands. But, yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching. I want to say thank you. And I'm sorry this light is going in and out, if it is, because my curtains are down, because my stepson and my oldest son are coming to put new curtains up in this room. So it might be a little bright. But y'all, I really love the way this look came out. And we about to take some pictures. And I am sorry, y'all, because if anybody come and ask me about this hair, it's old. It's all get out. I just didn't feel like doing my hair. So I put it in some braids and threw a wig on. But I will see y'all in the next video. See you in the next video. See you in the next video. And until I upload, watch when I already uploaded. Because I'm going to put it here. And make sure you like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. See y'all later. Bye, my babies.